We're now onto the second sheet of the instructions, and we're on to stage 12. For this one, we only need to make 2 new parts, and the simplest one is just an axle that's 7 long. Let's open the existing axle part and add a new configuration. So on the Configuration Manager tab, we've already got 3, 6, and 9. We now need to add 7. Right-click on the axle file name there at the top, and then press Add Configuration, and call this new one 7 long. Now make sure your 7 long configuration is active. You can double-click on the name if it's not, and then go back to the design tree. Then click on that first feature, the extrude, and press Edit Feature. Now down here, make sure you're on this configuration. You should be on that automatically. And then we just need to change the length. So it should be 55.5 millimeters. And then you can just press OK. Now we've added that extra length, and we can go back to the Configuration Manager, and we can just change the color. So make sure you're on the 7 long configuration. Go to the Appearance, Scenes and Decals tab, and let's just make it a yellow. So now we should have 3, 6, 7, and 9. And then you can just save your part. So that's all there is to that one. Probably one of the simplest ones that we've done. And in the next video, we'll be creating an axle joint that lets you join 2 axles together at 90 degrees.